6th of May. I've lost track of days, I've lost track of time, it's lockdown again. I know these are very challenging times, and the least we can do is stay positive in these times, because of course you cannot do anything about the situation, but you can at least be positive in your mind. So henceforth we are not going to talk about all of this and we're going to have a happy place here. Also, while we're here, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to all so you can get notified whenever I upload. And what else? Leave a comment, like the video, share the video. By the way, I just got a few things in the parcel this morning. These are just samples. I got a few things from Nykaa and they had this sale going on. So I got a bunch of things and I got a bunch of samples with them. Funny enough, I got the samples early. Also, I got this Jwelini retexturizing treatment. I don't even know how to pronounce that. It's prescribed in Ayurveda as an ideal treatment for smooth, soft, clear skin. Considered as a cure for dry, irritated skin, may be used daily. I would probably never use it because I have very acneic skin and I don't experiment with my skincare, as I told you. Unless I've done a patch test, I would never use anything on my skin. I would probably give this to my mother because she'll probably enjoy it more than me. She has dry skin, by the way. Then I have this hand cream from Kama Ayurveda again. This is 8 grams also. And I'll again use it for my handbag. That is pretty useful for me actually. And then I have this rejuvenating and brightening Ayurvedic night cream from Kama again, which I'll probably never use again. But my mom definitely would enjoy it. She really stocked up with samples now, because I clearly have a lot of them here. The rest of them are just multiples of the same samples, so I'm not going to show all of them. But I also got these jute bags, which I again don't have a purpose for. So I'll probably give this away, or whenever I'm traveling I always carry my own pillowcases because what can I say, I'm an OCD. And so I'll carry them in here. They are silk, so when you fold them they become this small, so I can fit 2 of them in here. Now I have a use for them. I also got this in the mail this morning, which I thought I would open with you. How have you guys been doing? It's been a while actually. I love this luxe packaging, but it's so excessive. Why do you need that? You don't need that either. Thank you. Wow. Another sample. I'm clearly stocked on these samples now. This is from Forest Essential. This is a delicate facial cleanser in Mashobra honey, lemon and rose water. I've already used them. I know it's really good. If you're looking for a face wash, this is practically the best face wash ever. I'll probably use it for my handbag again. Facial tonic mist in pure rose water, 50 ml. I have one of these lying in every single corner of my house. I have 50 of them right now in my house. I can count them for you. Love these 50 ml bottles, by the way. They're really handy and you don't have to worry about them while traveling. Not that I'm traveling anytime soon, but I also asked you guys a few questions that you wanted me to answer, and it's been a while actually. It's been more than 2 months, but I never got a chance to film that, so we're going to do it now. I'll bring my cell phone and I'll see you then. Okay, so someone asks, do you drink? Oh well, I don't. I'm not a fan of drinking actually. I don't mind drinking. If I'm with my friends and family, like, I might drink if I'm in the mood, but I like to be in the present. Favorite cuisine? I love North Indian. A little bit of Italian. I'm a fan of dal makhani, shahi paneer, kadhai paneer, you name it. Zodiac, Virgo. I'm a true Virgo. If you're looking for traits, by the way, I'll link below a few videos where you can find them and know me. Height, 5'1". Like I've not talked about it enough. No, it's actually 5'1.5", if you consider that. What's your biggest pet peeve? Well, I have a lot of them, but one of them has to be people touching my face, or my hair, or me, or my stuff. Eye color. I think I have medium brown eyes. What do you think? How can one stay focused towards their life goals or only life goal in this world full of distractions? I think there are 2 kinds of goals that one can have. One is the kind of goals that one creates for themselves, your ambitions, your hopes, your aspirations, and then one is the actual true goal of your life that is common with everyone, and that's self-realization. And I think the answer to both of them is turning your energy inwards, turning all your senses inwards, being in isolation, and just really focusing on yourself and knowing what you truly want with life. Because let's be honest, most of us don't have true ambitions. We've just come across people that we perhaps really like, or we like what they're doing, and we want to become like them. Most of us do that. So sitting in isolation would make it clear what you actually truly want with life. And once you know that, you'll automatically develop the clarity to how you're going to get that. And also, I think planning. Being a Virgo, I preach planning. I plan everything, right from making rotis to making YouTube videos. I plan everything. Like they say, a good planning is half the work done. I'm very passionate about planning and knowing what you truly want in life. And once you have all of this clear in your mind, you're automatically not going to be distracted. And one thing I would also recommend is to write things down. I always carry a small diary with me at all times, because you develop ideas and you develop things that you perhaps want to write, or if you don't want to carry a diary, you can have notes in your cell phone, which is, not my preferred method, because writing just feels a lot more organic. How did you start grooming? I think I get this from my parents. My dad still talks about it. When he used to come back from work, even if it was like 11 in the night, he would always see my mom nice and dressed up and everything. And I think I get this from them. And also my dad, no matter where he's going, even if he's going to the market, he'll always be wearing nice clothes. Before 2013, I liked dressing up, but I didn't have a very particular style. Well, 2013 in 11th, I think I really started to develop my style and ponder into what I really liked. And that time I realized that my style was more tomboyish, not like now. Now it's more, I think, feminine. And that's the key, I think. Your style always keeps changing and you need to embrace that. Whom do you admire the most? My parents. In every single way possible. I admire them for everything. Is it a myth that you reply on stories but not in DMs? Well, it's not a myth. I have a reason for it. I reply on stories because that's my job. I'm open to all questions. If you have questions related to lifestyle or beauty or fashion, I'm always open to that. I'm always there to help, but I'm not someone, first of all, I'm very introverted. I don't talk much as it is. And once you reply on DMs, it's like the chat begins, and I'm not that person. So, but I do come live, no? So you can ask questions there also. Blush is missing you. When are you guys coming? That's my designer. I miss you too. I really miss you guys. I miss dressing up, but there's no place you can go to right now. So, best cologne. For men, I would say there's one from Givenchy. It's the Gentleman Only. And for women, I would recommend one from Forest Essentials in Nargis. Should I say this? Ab Santoor se na aati ho. That's my sister. I'm really sorry. हमारी party कब हो रही है? I'm still obsessed with this meme, dude. हमारी party बहुत जल्दी हो रही है. That's my friend Nisha, by the way. Who helps you in your social media posts? Well, no one does. Since I'm a Virgo, I'm never satisfied with anyone else's working, so I think I'll have to do it on my own for the rest of my life. I did actually try getting someone involved. I did hire a manager, but then I was not satisfied with her work, so I had to do it on my own. My question is, how do we do light makeup for school? I mean steps. When you're growing up, your skin is very sensitive and you should not be putting any chemicals over it because, in the long run, it'll all reflect. And also I would recommend you use longer lasting products because no matter how good your school is, you will sweat in school. You have PD periods and everything. And also another thing I would recommend you to take care of is your budget. Because when you're in school, you don't want to be using very expensive products. There's one product from Iba Halal, which is under 200. It's their compact in white packaging. It does not have a lot of chemicals in it, so it's good for the skin. And also it has a very natural finish, so no one's going to know that you're wearing makeup. And it's powder based, so it's not going to melt very easily. And also you want to use one and done products because you don't want to be spending hours doing your makeup in the morning. And then if you need a little bit of color on your lips, you can use a lip tint. There's one from Earth Rhythm that's natural, completely organic, Ayurvedic product, so you can use that. Sorry, I'm just rushing through the video right now because the sun seems to be going down and I prefer filming in natural lighting. What are your thoughts on minimalism or living life as a minimalist? The lesser things you associate yourself with, the lesser fear of losing them, and then the lesser pain of when you actually lose them because everything has its end. And in today's day and age, more is considered better. but in my experience, more entangles you more. The more you have, the more fears, the more pains, and all of those things which you probably want to avoid. As you grow older, you start to realize that you actually need a lot less than you think you do. And also, as I said in one of my videos, the lesser mess you see through your eyes, the lesser messy your thoughts are. And also the cleaning process becomes a lot more easier. When are you uploading your next video and on which topic? Please answer. This is the next video. If you stuck around till now, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And please follow me on my Instagram. The handle is @Papanchi Vareja. And I'll speak to you in the next one. Bye.